Hey there, it's John. We're going to take you through a quick, very basic tour of the Digitech drop pedal. Here we go. So we're going to play a chord with no effect at all. So that's dry, no signal alteration. And here's with the pedal. And so the cool thing about this pedal is you can toggle. So you can go half step by half step down. When you get to the second to the last one, that's the octave of whatever you're playing, if it stays the same. For those of you who want to play heavy. And then you've got the last one is octave and dry, so it's basically half wet, half dry. So you got the octave and the dry signal coming through simultaneously. So that's pretty much it. There's one more feature probably worth mentioning: momentary switch. And so here's what the momentary switch does. Right now it's on, so you get the picture. Anyway, it's a fun pedal. Depends really what you want to do. I think the price point's around $200 new, $220, something like that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.